is the 3rd of September, and wow, quite the storm. Like, there's trees back there, and you can barely see them. That's crazy. Normally, it's not wet down over here, but the wind is so bad. Holy moly. Amanda, what do you think of this?
This is a crazy storm.
Whew. There's little like, leaves falling, and the eaves troughs are overflowing. That's crazy. Lightning.
The poor tree was like bending in half almost.
It was what?
The tree was like bending in half almost.
Bending in half?
That tree.
Yeah, it was. It was really windy.
Like,
so
really bending.
all the branches there were like over there.
Leaves stuck to the window.
So, wow. Guess we have a string of really nasty storms coming through, but this was really crazy all at once. So I had to pull the camera out. Pretty cool. Right, Amanda?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, chatting with people and watching how I dry my herbs.
Oh, look at that.
Just sewing, drying herbs.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. Say bye to the people while we take cover.